Soccer, what the hell? What was that for? I'm trying to sleep, but I can't because Ben won't shut up. And you blew your whistle without considering anybody else trying to get sleep? Yeah, some of us have work to do in the morning. As if you would know anything about work. What did you just say? I said, as if you would know anything about work. I do work. What are you talking about? Yeah, and by work you mean brag about taking some coaches around. Better than anything you'll ever get to do. It could be worse, guys. He could be as useless as Ben. Shut up, you yellow banana. Could you think of any other insult? Noah's still useless. I'm gonna kill you. Come at me, bitch.
Thanks, Soccer. Is this all your fault? No, couldn't be. Not entirely, at least. I mean, good started it.